And with all three of these documents, the idea again is that I'm not able to
Right.
act. If I could make my own decisions, fantastic. We don't
Exactly.
need any of these things. But if you're not able to do so, and it's not just because you may be in a coma, it could be, I'll tell you the most common one, David, is dementia.
Right.
Alzheimer's, afflictions of the mind where you could physically be in very good health, but you don't necessarily know what you're doing at that
Right.
point in time, and someone needs to step in and make decisions for you.
And that's where the healthcare surrogate takes place?
Yes.
Okay. And then you mentioned 3 documents. So those 2 relate to healthcare. I'm guessing the third relates to finances.
We're going to flip the coin,
Okay.
go completely off of healthcare and just talk about finances, and that is the power of attorney.
Okay.
Now, all these documents are powerful, but this to me is the most powerful document. It's extremely important that you find someone that you trust implicitly
Sure.
if you're going to name them under it. And the idea behind a power of attorney is to allow someone to step into your shoes and handle your finances. And most people think, okay, well, pay my bills. That's
Right.
what we're talking about.
That seems simple enough.
That is the ground floor, but it goes much further than that, and it includes selling property, purchasing property,
Enter into agreements?
enter into
So it's not just
contracts.
financial, it's actually empowering them to do stuff for you legally.
Anything legal or financial could be covered by it. Other examples would include suing. If you are in an auto accident,
Right.
and I don't do personal injury, but just to use that as an example, and you would otherwise maybe need to bring a lawsuit because of that, but you're incapacitated, that would allow your agent to stand in your shoes and bring that forward for you.
Okay, so you might have one person who is overseeing and making sure you're getting the medical care you need, and another person is carrying out your financial needs and paying your bills or doing something as much as, being a party to a lawsuit on your behalf while you're, getting better. Your financial affairs are being taken care of as well. Those 2 can be the same person or it can be different people as well.
Exactly, and it's a case-by-case basis. For some people, it makes a lot of sense to have them be the same individual.
Okay.
For other people, they may have someone in their family who's in the healthcare field, but they don't know finances very well,
Yeah.
and they can't handle that very well. So in that case, it may make sense to split those roles.